Have you heard of standard work? It's a repeatable work method used to meet process or customer requirements. Standard work consists of 4 basic elements: people, methods, materials, and equipment. It tells us the tasks, sequence of tasks, timing of tasks, and materials and equipment necessary to complete the tasks. Standard work can be used for any repeatable work method, including manufacturing, administrative, and design processes. It's a major component of operational stability and achieving flow and built-in quality. To create standard work, we need to follow a few steps. We specify the products or services for which we will be developing standard work, calculate takt time, break down tasks, calculate the required number of people and equipment, and determine standard work in progress inventory. Taichi Ono, creator of the Toyota production system, once said that without standards, there can be no Kaizen. Standard work makes it easier to observe, see waste, and identify improvement opportunities within processes. To learn more about Lean Standard Work, visit emsstrategies.com and contact us.